Okay, so the detail around these windows, you may notice if I come in a little bit closer here, you'd be thinking, what on earth is going on here? We've got a gap between the cladding and our window on the outside. So what's happened with this is the windows get fixed obviously into the timber frame. We're trying to keep the glass, which is the only sort of insulation point in the window, trying to keep that in line with the insulation layer in the wall. And then you can kind of see that little groove batten in behind there is our 35mm Weathertex counter batten that packs off the cladding, and then a cladding on the outside here. So this is what creates a ventilated cavity so the air pathway can get up and down and flow through, make sure any moisture or anything's drying out. So then what we're going to do with this gap on the outside is actually create a reveal with a Colorbond flashing to cap that off. So I'll show you this little one that Warren's got prepared around the corner here. All right, so this is going to be the finished product. So work in progress, what was got going on here. You can see the gap we've got down the side. So these are our Colorbond flashings that we've got bent up here, just a 20 by 20 little reveal with a long leg that tucks back in the side of the window. Was as might at the corners here. So the bottom one has got a little pitch on it so that water can run off down the side. And then when this goes on around the window, tucks up nice and tight underneath the head flashing. These here get pulled in nice and tight with a rivet in the corner, but basically creates that nice little reveal around the window, finishes off so you haven't got a gap there. Beautiful.